warm. Something here at home.
And Toyota, over last second.
Warm.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me!
This is funny. That may have been bad.
And that is the reason I can't wait.
Don't turn on red.
Rules of like how who gets in trouble, who doesn't. Like I've noticed black people have the genius to put the curse word after they say the race of the person. Where white dudes, we always put it in front. And if we would just...
Oh, whoa, jeez. Yeah, that huge freaking lead-in lane, but get in there. That minivan. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. You're an idiot. What's that guy doing? Where is it, my exit? Where the fuck am I going? I don't know. What the fuck? That's red. That was so freaking bad. Fried chili cold. When I woke up the pole. Consciousness was not. Excuse me. Miss, I don't give a shit. Whoa! Another! 2 in a row! Yeah, you keep honking. Good job. He's still going! Wow! Oh, did that truck really just... You don't have to merge! That's weird. Usually people do that going the other way. They're like 2 inches from my bumper, dude. Time in the world to get into this lane. You finally do it like right before you exit. Yeah. And he's exiting. There's gonna be a douchebag and keep douchebagging up the freaking douchebag's shoulder. I see how it works. You got 3 cars ahead. Come on, don't stop on the ramp. Come on. The only guy's going 30.
Try squiggles! Square bagels! That's right! Square bagels! Yeah! Look at that shit! It's square, not round! It's hip to be square! Remember that shitty song by that shitty band 20 motherfucking years ago?
Signal on.
That's right, squiggles! Don't be oppressed by...
You're like 3 inches from my goddamn bumper. God, that is so damn bad. Come on. Come on. Whoa. That's Toyota.
Food source that was abundant for them because it makes everyone else sick. That's evolution. It's easy, obvious, and verifiably true, and it's the only thing that makes sense in light of the facts.
What Schleen are you going for, dude?
Rejecting evolutionists have no
Oh, that way frickin' red. Yeah, if you're gonna keep going. What the fuck is that?
Flowers or a brand new house, but maybe you would better let it go at last. Find yourself in a quite complex,
that's bad.
and you may end up like.
The funny thing in my life is the airlines losing their luggage. Well, they needed to do it once again. Now there was a lot of taking tolls.
What?
So I bought an extra large shirt at the gift shop.
Was that 100% necessary?
Went up to about here.
So, whether this rich software devil Dr. Ray, the Angelo Harris, and I am, as you had already covered,
Check your mirrors, dude.
Harris, and we all need jobs.
So that I'm thinking, oh, what the hell? The secret in my. Oh, come on, dude, come on. What do you guys? You're going for the exit? Why not?
We're not unreasonable. I mean, no
stupid.
one's gonna hate your eyes.
School children. Same spot where. Oh. Get in. Let's not take forever at this. Bet you. Same fucking van that did that to me.
Back to the website has got bottom half are date safety tips, and these are the most poorly written, practical date safety tips.
BMW clip right there. That's second merge.
I hit the gas and a mashed pan Singlewood. I think I drove.
Bad, 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 bad. Move up. Yeah, there we go. See what happens when you leave that much room? What? A freaking bus?
We'll all come inside and eat your brain.
Whoa, what's a Honda doing up there?
You down in any way.
You don't just stop in the middle of the goddamn highway. What the? Why? There's no one ahead of you. What? That's dumb. Oh, that was carpooling. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Yeah, he did it.
Literally gibberish with poetic rhythm.
Douchebag.
All designed to make people believe what is really pure fiction.
Why can't you get out of the middle lane and go faster, please? And you're illegally in the left lane. That's Matt. Third one today.
months go by, of course, right? And now I'm watching the hockey players. I'm eating pretzels and I'm thirsty.
Oh, you're a douchebag. Rolling up the shoulder like a douchebag.
I'm 40.
Oh,
I don't
you're
need to be standing in my kitchen tasting cranberries during a hockey game.
I'm not happy to be stuck behind you. Can you go faster? You're barely going 60 in the fast lane. What the fuck? I wasn't really honking. I just would have rather him not do that. Oh, you're a douchebag. Okay, you're going to my video after all. Holy fuck. Wow. It crashes down and Land Rover ran a red light.
In front of me on the shoulder. I said, excuse me, do you know if this is the line
there's a car coming in the other direction,
to get
dude.
the tickets to get the beer? And this
What the fuck? That's the shoulder, dude. Holy shit. And you turn on your turn signal after you merge, too. Whoa, what the? Whoa! Red light. Don't turn on red. Yeah, there he goes.
WKTT, the most patriotic news source in America.
What? Fucking douchebag! That was red. Come on.
You can hang out with them, you can have sex with them, just don't promote it on Instagram.
That's bad, red light. Oh, you suck. Edible arrangements. No turn on red. Oh, look at that guy go. Douchebag. And he gets back into the normal lane again. That was bad. Stupid ass. I heard.
No dump trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And we're in Connecticut. In fact, this will be the last Connecticut episode of 2016. Yay! Because after this, I'm taking a break. Next video will be jumping ahead to 2017. Although I have no way of knowing this because I'm recording this live in my truck right now. I am not voiceovering this years later. Nope, I sing these songs all the time. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.